Hey, it's On the Bench with George. We're going to show you guys something really groovy today. We're going to show you the steps we go through when we get a brand new guitar. This is a brand new Epiphone DR212 Natural. This one has a nice top on it. I've seen a lot of these, but this one has a really, really nice top. We're going to do a bunch of things to it. We're going to first take care, they use a polishing compound on the frets, so we're just going to clean that off. It's a good thing. The frets are going to be really, really shiny, but we just want to clean that first. We're going to oil the fretboard on this one. We're going to lightly oil the bridge. We're going to check for buzzing and all that kind of stuff. The action on this one looks really good. We're really lucky. So on the high E string, we're looking at, it's not tuned to pitch, so it'll probably be more like 1.5 millimeters, and then on this end about 2. So this is low for a 12 string. This is going to play really easily. So we'll show a little fast forward video of us going through all that. Awesome. So that's what we're getting off, and it's just a polishing compound that they put on. So it's good, the frets are shiny, but we want to clean this off before we put our hands on it, right? Alright, now we're going to move on to the next step, which is using this Dunlop 650, and we're going to put it on a little bit on the bridge, and we're definitely going to oil the fretboard. You can see when they come in, there's no finish on them, right? So they're just raw wood, and we want to just make sure, you see how it's pretty white right now. We want to make sure we hydrate it so our frets don't fall out. So sometimes it's really obvious when you touch the sides here that the frets have stuck out. What happens is the fretboard neck shrinks, wood shrinks, metal doesn't, so the metal sticks out. So all we do is sand those down. Luckily with this one we haven't had to do that. So now the process will be, we'll just tune it back up, but keep in mind when you do get an instrument from one of us, every one of them has been checked and set up professionally by me. Alright, have a groovy day.